In this video, I will show you how to manage a team using Google Suite tools. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. First, you need to log into your Google Drive account and create a new folder. I will name this folder Managing a Team, then select Create. Once your main folder has been created, you can then add subfolders in your main folder. Our first subfolder will be Marketing. Our second subfolder will be Filming. And our last folder will be Editing. You can then add Google Documents for your team to add information or updates. You can also use this to collaborate with your team. You can also add Google Sheets to track tasks, deadlines, and progress. Once you have added all of these subfolders, Google Docs and Google Sheets, you can now collaborate with your team more effectively and efficiently. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.